Ladies and gentlemen, if a woman is unable to walk to a police station for various reasons, social reasons, societal reasons, stigmas associated with that, if she cannot visit a police station, if she cannot walk to a police station, if she cannot go to a police station, the police station comes to her in Punjab. The mobile police stations, for this very purpose. We have about 36 mobile police stations going to every nook and cranny of Punjab and tending to the women who are unable to come to a police station. Across Punjab, 905 safety zones equipped with free Wi-Fi, mobile charging facilities and panic buttons are creating safer public spaces, while panic buttons in girls' colleges and universities ensure that education and safety walk hand in hand. Because a truly empowered woman is not merely educated or economically independent. She is safe, she is heard, she is protected. And she knows that her government stands beside her, with her, whenever she needs. To every young girl in Pakistan and across the Muslim world who wonders whether leadership belongs to her, my message is simple. Yes, it does. Our commitment to women's empowerment is deeply rooted in our faith and in our values. Islam honors women with dignity, rights, and respect. And our beloved Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us, the best amongst you are those who are best to their women. In empowering women, we are not departing from our traditions. We are bringing them back. If circumstances can empower one woman, opportunity can empower millions. Ladies and gentlemen, let us work together through the platform of OIC to ensure that every girl in the Muslim world has access to education. Let's ensure that every girl across the Muslim world has access to opportunity. Every mother has access to dignity, and every daughter has the freedom to dream without fear.